Hello and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's tutorial, we shall talk about the concept of power in international relations. Well, in international relations, the concept of power is central to understanding how states and other actors influence each other and navigate the global system. So when we talk about the concept of power, we need to understand that in the international relations, power is everything. In fact, power is central to understand how every state behave or how other actors also influence each other and navigate through the global system. So again, if I bring in a realistic perspective of international relations, then the realism always says that the world is in anarchy, and it is, because we don't have international system or a body which governs the behavior of the state, and therefore every state is free to protect its national interest, and therefore to protect that national interest every state is aspiring to achieve that power. And that power could be in any form. It could be the hard power or it could be through soft power, and there are other forms of power as well which we will be discussing later. But at this point of time in international relation, the concept of power is a central to therefore to understand how state and various actors influence each other and navigate through this chaotic anarchic global system to achieve their national interests. Therefore, in that context, power is very important, and therefore power can be defined as the ability of the state or an actor to influence the behavior of other state or actors to achieve desired outcome. So therefore we have often seen in international politics and in the international relations that a state which has the ability to influence the other state or actor which has the ability to influence the other actor always plays out that power card to achieve a desired outcome or desired objective. Therefore, we have often seen that the big power always influences the small state to act in a way which benefits or protect the interests of that big power state. So therefore that power is very important, and therefore it encompasses various dimensions and forms, each playing a crucial role in the dynamics of the international politics. Therefore we also have to understand that power in international relation is multifaceted concept, because as I said, it encompasses military, economic, soft power and various other dimensions, and every country use these dimensions to achieve their national interest. Big country will use its military force to put pressure on the neighboring country to protect their national interest. Sometimes, if not military, they will use the economic power. If not economics, then obviously the country can also use its soft power to get the best deal or to get the benefit in the larger international politics, and therefore it plays a crucial role in shaping the behavior of the state and the structure of international system. And today, if you see in that real sense, every state is using that power, manifest that power in order to influence the international system. Big powers often seen using their military, technological power or economic power, whereas the emerging countries, if they don't have the big military power, if they don't have big economic power or even not technological power, then they would use their soft power to reach out and to influence the structure of international system. So therefore it is very important to understand the different dimensions of the power in the context of international relation. So for a time being, this is in short all about the concept of the power in international relations. And just to summarize, in short, the concept of the power is a central to the understanding of how state behave, how actors behave, and sometimes they influence each other and navigate through this global system to achieve their national interests. And therefore that power is central of understanding the behavior of the state. So I hope you have understood the concept of the power in international relation, and I will see you soon in the next tutorial, where we will be discussing about important dimensions of power which actually influence the actors and state in international system. See you in the next tutorial.